Out-of-home advertising is everywhere, but buying it still isn't simple. Inventory is scattered across dozens of media owners. Planning is manual, and proof of play arrives late, if at all. Introducing Digital Out-of-Home Aggregator Platform brings it together. One place to discover screens, plan campaigns, and go live. Browse aggregated inventory from multiple media owners in a single marketplace, across networks, cities, and formats. Plan by location, audience, and budget, and see real-time availability before you commit. Automate buying, from request to booking, without the back and forth. Then track every campaign as it runs, with proof of play and clear, transparent reporting. For media owners, inventory that's easier to sell. For advertisers, campaigns that are faster to launch and simpler to measure. And if you want it under your own brand, the platform is fully white label. Your logo, your colors, your domain, tailored to how your business works. Engineered by Rishabh Software. 25 plus years building reliable platforms for clients across 25 countries. See it in action. Request a demo now.